We use their sense of smell against them. So we have fly traps that have a little bit of grape juice or vinegar in them to lure them to their watery grave, or vinegary grave. I started off to work on fruit flies because I really wanted a project that would combine genetics, being able to generate mutations and study them in an organism, with being able to study how the nervous system works. And Drosophila had a lot of advantages for that. Fruit flies and humans share most of their genes. Every gene that we studied in the fruit fly has a homologous gene in humans that has the same function. And so by taking apart the nervous system in the fruit fly, we can learn something about how every nerve cell works. I know people talk about them as a lower organism, as something that's quite simple, but they're not. Even though they're tiny, and even though their brains are definitely smaller than any of ours, they still have a very complicated repertoire of behaviors. Even things that you think of as being simple, like being able to fly in a straight line when wind currents are buffeting you about, or say, to avoid being caught when somebody is irritated that there's a fruit fly on their banana and wants to get rid of it. All of those take a huge number of calculations for them to quickly dart away. Those computations are all being taken care of by their nervous system, including figuring out how to fly correctly, how to land, how to take off. So all of that packed into a tiny package. I still get a great kick out of that sense of discovery when you say, really? Oh, so that's why the fly was blind. That's why the nerve cell wasn't working correctly. And we get those surprises on a pretty regular basis.